Achieving your dream university admission, scholarships and eligibility. Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable insights and guidance on various aspects of education. Dream universities and scholarships. Before we delve into the process, let's understand why scholarships play a crucial role in achieving your dream university admission. Visuals. Graphs illustrating rising tuition costs. Student testimonies about the impact of scholarships. Scholarships not only minimize the financial burden but also showcase your merit. Universities value students who demonstrate outstanding academic or extracurricular achievements, and scholarships can be your ticket to the chosen institution. Let's explore the different types of scholarships available. Types of scholarships. Scholarships come in various forms, providing opportunities for students from different backgrounds. Here are the most common types. Visuals. List of types of scholarships. Merit-based scholarships. Need-based scholarships. Athletic scholarships. Diversity scholarships. Research-based scholarships. Merit-based scholarships are awarded to students with exceptional academic records, while need-based scholarships consider the student's financial situation. Athletic scholarships recognize exceptional sports talent, and diversity scholarships promote inclusion and representation. Research-based scholarships support students engaged in groundbreaking research. Now, let's understand the eligibility criteria for these scholarships. Scholarship eligibility criteria. Eligibility requirements for scholarships can vary depending on the university and the type of scholarship. However, here are some common factors that universities consider. Visuals. Displaying a checklist of eligibility criteria. Academic achievements. Extracurricular involvement. Leadership qualities. Community service. Essays and recommendations. Universities seek students who excel academically, but they also value applicants who display leadership skills, engage in community service, and have an impressive extracurricular portfolio. Strong essays and recommendation letters are also significant contributing factors. To increase your chances, it is important to showcase all your achievements and qualities comprehensively within your application. Tips for a successful application. Now that you understand the importance of scholarships and their eligibility criteria, here are some tips to assist you in crafting a successful application. Visuals. Visuals of success stories and application documents. Bullet point list of tips. Start early and plan ahead. Research scholarship opportunities. Seek guidance from mentors. Highlight your unique strengths. Tailor your application to each university. Review and proofread meticulously. Starting early and planning ahead will give you an advantage. Research available scholarship opportunities and seek guidance from mentors who can provide valuable insights. Highlight your unique strengths and tailor your application to the specific requirements of each university. Finally, review your application meticulously to ensure it is error-free and aligns with your aspirations. Now you can take a significant step towards securing admission to your dream university. Remember, obtaining scholarships not only reduces financial burdens but also validates your exceptional talent and capabilities. By following the tips we've provided and staying determined, you can realize your academic aspirations at prestigious institutions like Harvard, Stanford, Oxford, or Cambridge or Princeton University. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational insights. Good luck on your journey, and we hope to see you in our next video.